अरे सर अभी इधर What's up people, a very good morning from the Misty Mountains once again in Kodaikanal. Yes, it is a really chilly morning and we guys are having this Girnar Kava, which is really good. If you can see it has nice blend of ginger and a lot of other spices, so it's good in this kinds of cold weather. Our bikes are parked right over there, safe and sound. We're going to start saddling up. It's about, what time is it? It's about 6:40. We targeted to leave by 7:30, so I'm pretty sure we should be out of the room another 20-25 minutes. We're almost ready. I'm ready. I only have to wear my jacket and the gloves, and this view is just mesmerizing with the beautiful clouds over there. It's pretty windy, so we need to be careful while navigating downhill a bit, and it looks like it drizzled a bit in the night, so the roads would be wet, so we need to be a little bit more careful towards that as well. एंड उसके अलावा बाकी हमारा पैकिंग वैकिंग ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है. हमारा जैकेट वैकेट इधर है. विक्रम थोड़ा सा फाइनल पैकिंग कर रहा है. हिरेन भी अपना कावा पी रहा है. केतन तू क्या कर रहा है भाई? टैंक बैग में घुस रहा है तो कुछ. विक्रम का भी फाइनल पैकिंग चल रहा है.
और ये देखिए पोपटा आँख में आने का नहीं है.
रिमोट से इम्पोर्टेंट
आँख में आने का नहीं है, रुमाल में डालने का है.
तो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली गुड. अगर आपको सर्दी वगैरह थोड़ा सा लगता है, नाक बंद हो गया है, तो इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. रुमाल में डाल के अच्छे से स्मेल लेंगे तो नाक खुल जाता है अच्छे से. तो चलो, आई थिंक आई विल सी यू गाइज वंस वी स्टार्ट ऑफ आवर जर्नी फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस. I hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful views, and it will continue for another 50 kilometers or so. Alrighty, so the bikes are all saddled up. 2 bikes have already gone ahead. We need to finish paying up for our food and stuff, so we need to finish that and then we'll start a journey towards Vagamon. The bikes are just warming up and we have this beautiful view which we will have to bid goodbye. It seems really sad, but yeah, moving on is what is life, right? Such a beautiful view. Look at those clouds. And this place was really amazing for a 2-day stay here. I think I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's always fun when you have a group of people, and when you have this kind of place all by yourself, it's really easy to, have fun because there is no restrictions. If you're in a hotel, there are many people around. In places like this, you can individually stay. You can also probably cook if you get your food here. So these things are really good. But yeah, for a biker and if you're riding, it's definitely not that easy to do the cooking and all that stuff. So obviously we have to go out for lunch and stuff, but yeah, still it is always a pleasant thing to have a kitchen, right? So yeah, let's head out, just finish paying up for a food, and let's go towards Vagamon, Kerala. We are coming. Let's go. I'm wearing a cotton balaclava today, and that is making the helmet really tight. I used to wear a synthetic one. I just washed it and thought I'll wear a new one after 2 days of riding. So with those balaclava, the helmet doesn't move about much, but yeah, it is definitely tighter as well. So this is where we guys are going to wait and clear our dues. क्या है भाई, मेडिकल का दुकान खोलने वाला है क्या? ये देखिए पूरा कितना सामान लेके रल रहा है. Vikram is my friend.
Oh, you both are brothers.
We 3 are brothers, cousin brothers, yes. Okay, so we just finished paying our dues, and Mr. Narayan Swami was our host here, and very jovial person. He's always having a smile on his face.
Haven't go through your YouTube today.
Yeah, please go through our YouTube. You will probably enjoy our vlogs that we have done here. Definitely. Have a good day. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, so we finally stopped for breakfast. It's about 9:20, so perfect time for breakfast. We didn't even have our morning chai, so we stopped at this place called Palms and Springs Veg Restaurant. So we'll probably have some idli vada and dosa and a nice cup of tea, hopefully. And you can see my very bad helmet hair, and the balaclava is really tight. The cotton balaclava is really tight, so my ears are kind of pressed. So it's quite painful inside the helmet. So yeah, that's about it. Our bikes are parked here safely. It has a very nice, safe parking, as you can see right here. And this place looks pretty clean and decent. Not many people around here. Actually, in fact, there is no one inside. So we'll just finish our breakfast quickly and scoot towards Vagamon. तो ये हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया है सबके लिए 2 इडली 1 वड़ा. इसके बाद जैसा भूख रहेगा उसके हिसाब से सब लोग ऑर्डर करेंगे. Ghee roast. Just starting the ride after a tummy full of breakfast. Alright guys, so my GoPro had stopped working. We just stopped to change my battery and now it's working again. So as you guys saw, there was a big chaotic thing that was going on for entering Kerala, and you had to give the same information bloody 4 to 5 times. We took at least about 30 minutes to do the entry and enter Kerala. We have about 26 kilometers. It's showing 52 minutes. Oh shit, this looks like proper off-roading. Ooh, nice stream. Aha, neat. Oh, this is going to be crazy. Sometimes it feels good that you're on bikes and not in a car. But at least it's concrete, so it's fine. 2.8 kilometers from here on the same road. It looks like it's located right in the middle of a coffee estate. Go, it's okay. जाएगा, जाओ. Oh, no worry. है? हाँ आप जाओ. I'll be the tail. I'll be tailing. थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रख जे. As you can see, the road is going to be probably like this for another 2.5 kilometers. Man, this is going to be crazy. We are all low on fuel as well, so that is another worry. Hello. Hello, how is it? Same? Okay. Huh? Only thing that I'm worried about is my laptop if my bike drops. Otherwise it's absolutely fine. Aare baap re. Not something we expected on this trip though. Adventure is always good. Just hope it doesn't rain tomorrow, otherwise this is going to just ruin things. I think with all the luggage, it's just making things pretty difficult. All right. Keep going. This Ketan bloody stops suddenly all of a sudden. I need to keep distance from him. Okay, just maintaining distance from Ketan because he's just abruptly stopping and I will not have enough torque to get my bike going again. So good baby, good, good, good. Ah, yes. अरे केतन क्यों रुक गया भाई? All right, so I'm just starting the ascent. Ketan unfortunately had a fall right there. It was good that I waited here. Now let's see how me and my Firefly are able to get through this. Yeah, I'll keep coming in the same gear. Which way do we have to go? We can go left. Where do we have to go? Straight?
स्ट्रेट वहाँ पे एक जगह है ना.
Yeah. Ooh. Auto. Okay, I think this is the one. Yes. Woo. Okay. Yeah. And another adventure begins. Oh, the parking is good. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. Hey guys, so finally reached the destination for today in Vagamon. There's a beautiful view outside and this is the place that we're going to be staying in. It's like a homestay sort of a thing and looks pretty decent, isn't it? And there's a nice parking for our bikes as well right in front of the house, and there's this beautiful hillock view right outside. So I think in the evenings it should definitely be nice and cool. So we'll just enjoy. As you saw, that off-road stretch that took literally quite a bit of toll on us, and Ketan had a small fall as well. Luckily Hiren's Triumph made it through that messy thing, so that was a good achievement, I would say, for this bike. Congrats Hiren. एंड केतन का बाइक थोड़ा बहुत डैमेज हो गया है. डैमेज नहीं एग्जैक्टली, थोड़ा मट्टी वट्टी लग गया, निकल जाएगा. ये मिरर थोड़ा लूज हो गया, टाइट हो जाएगा. गार्ड वार्ड में लगा है, थोड़ा सैडल बैग पे लगा है. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. या श्योर, he'll ask for tea. And my bike also luckily made it through without any issues. And even Vikram made it through without any issues, so that was good. This one. So I hope you guys, I hope I've got some good footage of that, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it till now. So let me see what is there for us to do now, and we'll just take our luggage and probably chill for a while. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so we've just removed our saddles and we've started messing up our stay for tonight. So before it gets too messy, let's get inside and have a look at the place itself. So this is basically where you enter. You have a nice living room sort of a thing here. You have a fireplace. I doubt if it's working. Looks like it is, but anyways. Not sure if we'll be able to light it up though. And there's a nice dining area here, a fully functional kitchen with a gas stove. You can probably make all your food if you want. I can actually spot a Horlicks bottle there as well. Horlicks piyenge aaj. And this is the stairs to go upstairs. I think the bedrooms must be upstairs. और ये दूसरा व्लॉगर इधर देखिए, मेरा व्लॉग मिस करने के लिए व्लॉग में मस्ती नहीं करने का. This is what happens when you have two people vlogging. Anyways, there's a nice sit-out area here as well. As you can see, they have a music system and a TV. Pretty beautiful, man. And there are 2 bedrooms. Oh wow, pretty accommodating, dude. This is really, really good. I didn't actually show you the washrooms when we stayed in the Misty Mountains, so I think I'll do that here before. So this is the toilet. What's up, guys? Oh wow, they actually have a bathtub. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use that today. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can actually accommodate about 10 to 12 people in this place, man. It's really beautiful. Really accommodating, I would say. The similar kind of washroom here as well, as you can see. And there is a balcony as well. Let's go have a look at the balcony set out outside. Oh, they do have games as well, chess and cards. Wow, this thing is just too pretty. Look at this. This thing is nice, beautiful. I really wish we had a Tuesday stay here as well. I mean, when you have places like this, you really feel like wanting to stay for longer than you actually have to, but we don't have an option. Luckily, we reached before time. We anticipated reaching here by about 3:30, but since we left early without having a breakfast, we made it to this place early. Probably if the checking at the Kerala border wouldn't have taken long, we would have been here by 2 o'clock. But anyways, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'll update you guys as and when we plan something. I don't think we'll be going out anywhere. We'll just be chilling out here, just freshen up and have some chai and then probably see what we can have for lunch. क्या केतन, कैसा रहा तेरा आज का राइड? बहुत अच्छा रहा भाई. कैसा रहा गिर के पहली बार? अच्छा लगा ना. अभी पूरा डर निकल जाएगा इसका. So guys, यहाँ पे लंच नहीं मिला हमको. हम लोग सोचे थे कि रास्ते में कहीं पे खाएंगे, बट लंच मिल नहीं पाया. तो हमारे अभी शेफ है यहाँ पे, शेफ मैगी. और ये हमारा वाई नूडल्स. आई डोंट नो अगर आप लोगों ने कभी ये नाम सुना भी है या नहीं, बट काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, टेस्ट काफ़ी अलग होता है. तो देखते हैं, अभी वही खाना पड़ेगा. हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. तो थोड़ा अभी विक्रम थोड़ा रेडी करके गया, अभी हिरेन बना रहा है, फिर विक्रम चाय पिलाएगा आज हमको.
मैं भी थोड़ा हेल्प करता हूं. तू सीजर ढूंढ पहले.
तो फाइनली मैगी बन चुकी है हमारी, और हिरेन पहला ठूस रहा है. अभी आते ही पहला गर्मा गर्म मैगी ठूस लिया हिरेन ने. कैसा लगा वाई नूडल्स?
भूख में गाजर भी अच्छा लगता है. हमारे गुजराती में कहावत है, भूख में गाजर भी वाला.
गाजर भी हाल है. सही बात है. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. अभी चलो मैगी खाते हैं हम लोग भी. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं यार. मैगी
भाई तू उसमें ले ले.
क्यों भाई, कम है इसके लिए?
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है. तू और विक्रम उसमें ले लो.
क्या है भाई?
ये केतन का सटक गया लगता है मेरे को भी. एक बार गिर गया ना तो उसका पूरा पुर्जा हिल गया लगता है.
निकाल में इसे.
अच्छा है. देखो विक्रम को भूख कितना लगा, गाली देने को तुला हुआ अभी. चलो खाते हैं, उसके बाद चाय पियेंगे. अरे यार फिर चला गया पावर. राइट, सो विक्रम ने चाय बना दी है. थैंक यू विक्रम फॉर द टी एंड मैगी, एंड हिरेन ऑल्सो थैंक यू फॉर द मैगी.
ड्रिंकेबल.
हाँ ड्रिंकेबल तो होगा ही भाई. तो इतना बुरा कुक भी नहीं है. तो देखते हैं अभी टकी लेवल. तो देखते हैं, चाय टेस्ट करते हैं कैसा है.
अच्छा
परफेक्ट. शक्कर और चाय की मात्रा एकदम परफेक्ट है नहीं तो ज़्यादा शक्कर या ज़्यादा चाय भी रहता है तो नहीं मज़ा आता है, बट अच्छा है, गुड।
आज से
Well done,
चाय का
विक्रम।
contract विक्रम को जाता है। बोलते माय मात की।
की जय।
Sugar is okay. You know?
या शुगर इज़ गुड। तो अभी चाय पियेंगे, उसके बाद थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप हो जाएंगे।
Thank you.
सुबह से ऐसे ही निकले, पूरा धूप में गर्मी वर्मी में लग के अभी ऐसा थक गए, अभी थोड़ा नहा धो के फ्रेश हो जाएंगे। आई होप गर्म पानी आ रहा होगा, तो गर्म पानी से एकदम मस्त नहा धो के फ्रेश हो जाएंगे। उसके बाद चकाचक बारबेक्यू खाएंगे आज हम लोग। यस, यहाँ पे बारबेक्यू था तो हम लोगों ने बारबेक्यू अरेंज किया। अभी वो भी हमको ही बनाना है वो पूरा सामग्री ला के रख देगा, हम लोगों को बनाना है। ठीक है, चलेगा, एक नया एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें, क्या है, चलेगा। कुछ अलग अलग करेंगे, हाँ अलग अलग,
सिर्फ राइड करना,
सिर्फ राइड करना है। लेकिन इस बार का ट्रिप एक्चुअली अच्छा है, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ गुड है,
डूइंग डिफरेंट
थिंग्स इनफैक्ट, तो मज़ा आ रहा है। चलो, आई होप आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आ रहा होगा।
चाय का
तो अगर मज़ा आ रहा है तो लाइक करना मत भूलना यार। Yes guys, so finally you guys are doing a barbecue dinner tonight. He's just lighting up the fire for making the barbecue. I hope we enjoy this. Let's see how it goes. It was actually Vikram's idea to have a barbecue tonight. I know the place is not very well lit, so probably you might not be able to see much of what's going on here unless I'm towards the light, but anyways I'll try to show you as much as I can. तो ये पूरा पब्लिक जमा हो गई इधर बारबेक्यू खाने के लिए। ये मैं फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ लाइट लेने के लिए, यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं है। ये देखो पूरा पब्लिक जमा हो गया इधर बारबेक्यू खाने के लिए, हाथ घिस रहे हैं सब लोग। और ये भैया हमें हेल्प कर रहे हैं। आपका नाम? शिबू हेल्प कर रहे हैं भाई हमको। और आपका नाम?
सजीवन।
सॉरी,
सजीवन।
ये दोनों लोग हमको हेल्प कर रहे हैं भाई हमारा ये बारबेक्यू सेटअप करने के लिए।
इधर आग कम धुआं ज्यादा है।
आग कम धुआं ज़्यादा हो गया अभी देखते हैं कैसा चलता है अपना बारबेक्यू और हम लोग कितना पेट भरते हैं इससे। खाना वाना भी पूरा रेडी हो गया ना, अभी खाना भी पूरा लेके आ गए लोग, पूरा पैक करके खाना भी रेडी है हमारा। तो पहले बारबेक्यू खाएंगे, उसके बाद डिनर करेंगे हम लोग। तो शायद ये इतना लो लाइट में आई डोंट थिंक कि आप लोगों को कुछ मज़ा आएगा, तो आई थिंक व्लॉग इधर ही एंड करना ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा।
दिख रहा है
भूतिया चेहरा दिख रहा होगा मेरा, थोड़ा लाइट ऐसा कर देता हूँ थोड़ा। Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. एंड अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ यार सब्सक्राइब कर लो।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक
डैड एंड सन डीओ को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। उनके वीडियो में काफ़ी अच्छा फुटेज आएगा आज का आपको देखने के लिए, जो मैं नहीं ले पाया हूँ वो फुटेज आपको देखने को मिलेगा आज। तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू बोथ आवर चैनल्स, टो शिफ्टर्स एंड डैड एंड सन डीओ। उसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। सो until the next video, this is me Kaushik signing out of Toe Shifters. Ride safe, ride hard, always wear your safety gear and never ever forget wearing a helmet. Ciao.